want to show you this cool product today. This is an EMF, so electromagnetic field. Oh, we can also a radiation detector. Now this is good if you're looking for all RCT tubes. We can use it for detecting, great for indoor, outdoor, even ghost hunting. So if you don't have to use it, you can even search for some ghosts. But you can check that. One way you can check the radiation. Maybe you wonder how much radiation your phone has when somebody calls in. You use that out. You can check that. You can check all the electronics and figure out how much radiation is around the house or outdoor. So it's a great device. Handheld here. Even it has a warning, data lock. It has a sound and color that change actually red. Right? If you don't understand how to use this, it's a great. You can use it for entertainment purposes or to collect some data. You are maybe a tech guy, you need to collect data, right? You want to know what is the pollution, because it's in reality it's a pollution. Electromagnetic field is a pollution, so you can measure that pollution on your electronics or around the house. Right, so we have the instruction how to use it. Give you a good EMF field and warning. So we got a cable there for charging there. So let's turn it on. If it's full charge there, comes on. And now we can measure here. So I think if I get close to, let me see something. If I get close to, yeah. Wow, my keyboard is already like, yeah, you see that? I even can touch my keyboard. I'm getting electromagnetic field from my keyboard. I mean, can be power line too. If you're looking at
if you're looking for ghosts, this is a great EMF meter, rechargeable digital electromagnetic field radiation detector, handheld digital LCD EMF detector, great tester for home EMF inspection, office, outdoor, and ghost hunting. And this happens to be USB chargeable.